to Sam and Alex too. So we're sorry that we haven't vlogged like for 7 months. We've been so busy because our last video we just checked right now. Thank you for subscribing for 18
subscribers. That's like a little bit, but that's fine.
Yeah.
But today we are at
Knott's Berry Farm. So we're sorry we didn't vlog the way because the tablet was charging and she uses it too much for YouTube. So
we are going to Knott's Berry
So
Farm.
we'll see you after. And right now we're in the line to enter. They have loud music. It looks like they're popping some fireworks. It's really loud. So see you guys inside.
Like where you they check your backpack, and he had his underwear on the top. So
I did that on purpose so they won't see my burritos. So you need this to enter. We have our gold passes
card thing.
So right now
we are entering.
Not very far.
Okay, so we're passing.
So right now they're gonna check our IDs. We're done. They checked our IDs. So this is the map of basically Knott's Berry Farm. It's kind of small, but at the same time it's big. So
do you want to go first?
I don't know.
Who's just the closest?
The tangerines
Was like a little balloon here it's like those. So we're getting on that one right now. It's not that scary, but yeah. Delayed it, and then everybody left, but then it worked. So we're there's no line, so that's really good.
What's in my backpack?
Hold it, don't let it fall. No.
We didn't have basically any line. So yeah, we'll meet you when we're in the ride.
So we are going on the Jaguar, and you can't see me because it's very dark.
Guys, hello. Okay,
We're snacking on food. We were just watching the movie Hop, so yeah. And we're getting on the Jaguar, like we already said. It's
so hungry.
So it's probably 25 more minutes or something. I don't know. So yeah.
You probably
still need 10 more minutes. Nah, 5.
My feet are tired from standing.
Wow. He's eating Doritos and he didn't even eat breakfast.
She is a pig and a cat. Okay guys, we barely finished the claw.
That claw thingy.
Yeah.
So, yeah. And right now we entered a pie
Contest.
eating contest.
So we tried to get in the log ride, but
And
it
it's
broke down.
closed.
It broke down. So right now we're gonna go get a boysenberry for my mom, and if they don't pick us, then we'll get one. So
Supreme Scream. So
No. Yeah, Silver
I
Bullet.
mean the Silver Bullet. I'm sorry. So it's this one right here. And Mom was going to pay for us to get drawn, like this guy right here. Me and my brother are gonna be in 2 pictures together, just the face with color, and it looks really cool. She's just starting, and she's doing my brother, so. That's the handsome boy. She's an artist.
How's the back of your hair look?
It's just a bun.
A bun?
Yeah.
Samantha nomás para tomar una foto. Al momento.
Bye. Guys, so we got drawn on, and then, but we have to leave because it's getting cold and it's gonna rain.
So my dad didn't come. He was coming, but then he checked the weather and it said it was gonna rain. So
We can't come.
We were planning everything out, but then he's like, "Oh man, it's gonna rain."
But we got on a new ride, which was Silver Bullet, so that's kind of good. So
Probably.
we're gonna get in the car. Getting in the car.
It's because we parked far away from that.
We want to show you guys
In the car. In the car.
this is how it
The
looks.
boy is me. I'm so handsome.
So right now we might go to eat. We might go eat. We might go to our aunt's house though, but we can't vlog because it's far away, and my mom won't be able to go. And if my mom doesn't be able to go,
Then-
the tablet can't come.
So we'll vlog it in my grandma's phone.
So,
And my aunt's.
so thank you guys for watching. Hope you
And-
guys enjoyed this wonderful vlog. We know we did.
Yeah.
Bye guys.
So see you guys next time. Bye.
Bye.